Hey, what's up? Welcome to NAM Design. In today's video, we will share 7 great design system examples for you to learn from and adapt the design system to meet your specific needs. This example is highly beneficial, so let's get started. Number 1. Wise Design. The Wise Design system integrates branding and interface guidelines for the Wise app, providing a cohesive and user-friendly experience for all currency exchange and money transfer processes. By utilizing Wise's essential features, you can understand how the design system operates or customize it to suit your specific needs. This design system is highly advantageous for your learning. Number 2. Orbit. Orbit enhances Kiwicom's travel app by providing consistency through best practices for accessibility and travel-specific components, ensuring a seamless user experience across its products. With Orbit's essential features, you can learn and adapt the design system to meet your specific needs. This is highly beneficial. Number 3. Pinterest Design System. Pinterest's Gestalt design system is the foundation of its visually immersive platform, allowing users, known as pinners, to easily discover, collect, and curate ideas from across the web. This design system is guided by a philosophy that emphasizes inspiration, simplicity, empathy, and scalability. Gestalt was developed to empower designers and developers with the tools and guidelines necessary for creating cohesive and visually consistent experiences. With this design system, you can learn how to create your own design system, making it incredibly helpful. Number 4. Polaris by Shopify. The Polaris design system is Shopify's comprehensive style guide, specifically designed to assist designers and developers in creating seamless experiences on the Shopify platform. Polaris includes a variety of essential features that support its mission of enhancing user experience and product quality. These features include data visualization, accessibility, interaction states, colors, typography, icons, illustrations, spacing, sounds, and resources. With these essential elements, you can learn to adapt the design system to meet your specific needs. It's super helpful. Number 5. Workbench. Workbench is a comprehensive product that embodies our design philosophy and includes design tokens, creative assets, React components, utilities, and documentation that integrates everything. It emphasizes accessibility, visual consistency, detailed documentation, live examples, and design tokens, allowing you to learn and adapt the design system to meet your own needs for creating inclusive platform experiences. It is incredibly useful. Number 6. Uber Base. Uber developed the Base web design system as a strong foundation for launching, evolving, and unifying its web-based products. This design system is open source, which means other companies can adopt and customize it to create their own design systems. Uber's design system includes essential elements that can inspire the development of your own design system, such as brand architecture, composition, tone of voice, motion, illustration, photography, iconography, color, logo, and typography. It's incredibly helpful. Number 7. Atlassian. The Atlassian design system is recognized as one of the best design systems available, providing robust tools and practices that allow teams around the world to collaborate seamlessly. It includes essential features designed to enhance user experience and team efficiency, such as UI components, brand values, UI kit, UI patterns, design tokens, illustration library, and content guidelines. By utilizing the resources Atlassian offers, you can gain valuable insights to help you create your own design system. It's incredibly helpful. And that's a wrap for today's video and for 2024, everyone. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thanks so much for being part of this year with me. Stay tuned for more fun content in 2025. See you next year. Take care, and bye-bye.